Kavita has resigned from the party BRS. She has said she has no greed for posts. This is significant developments really as far as the infighting within the BRS is concerned. Kavita has been holding a press conference since noon today where she has said that there's been a conspiracy against her. She said she had been isolated from the party and she pointed fingers at her cousin as well for this. Uma now joins me live from the press conference venue. Uma, significant statement there. You have Kavita now coming out and saying that she is resigning from the BRS. Expected?
So what Kavita has said is that it is Harish Rao and Santosh Kumar who are working against KCR and working against BRS, and she in fact issued a warning to her brother KT Ramarao saying that they are acting like your friends and acting like party associates, but they are hand in glove with Revanth Reddy. She has given specific instances. There she says that Harish Rao and Revanth Reddy travelled together from Hyderabad to Delhi and from Delhi to Hyderabad, and it is in that trip that these kind of deals were struck. She has given multiple instances where she alleges that Harish Rao had acted against the interests of the party and how he had conspired in fact to defeat KCR and the BRS. Even in the selection of candidates, she says Harish Rao had acted as though he's a troubleshooter, but he is the one who is instigating the trouble and then acting as though he has shot the trouble away and made the trouble go away. And she says that he has tried to break not just the party but our family as well, and today he has been successful in getting me ousted from the party, and therefore she is appealing to both the BRS leadership, her father and to her brother, the working president as well, saying that please recognize his real avatar as she calls it, and says that please understand that they are the ones who are conspiring against the BRS and against KCR himself. She says, I came into politics at the age of 27 and I have been working a day and night for the party. I came into politics for my father, for the people of Telangana and for the BRS party, and therefore I do not see why I should... Are you... Let me also try and ask some questions to Kavita because she's just now finished the press conference. She spoke in Hindi as well, where she has spoken about the kind of a conspiracy that's happening around her. Kavita ji, are you going to...
So Kavita, that's the big takeaway from the press conference. Kavita has resigned from the BRS. The infighting within the family and the party has just deepened with her
Kavita is now
her
taking questions. Can I just ask?
Got your question. రాహుల్ గారు పాత క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు కొత్త ఇష్యూ ఏంటి అని అంటే బిఆర్ఎస్ పార్టీలో సస్పెన్షన్
Uma, they're trying to ask her a question, but just recapping very quickly for our viewers who are just tuning in. Kavita has said she has no greed for posts. This is a pointed attack at the two cousins, at Harish Rao as well as Santosh Kumar. She says that Harish Rao, she alleges, has a hotline with the Chief Minister. Uma still with us. Let's just listen into what Kavita is saying.
In different ways, even though she has been loyal to both the party as well as the party leader. Kavita is also referring to the letter that leaked, and she says it's more than 100 days since I made the formal complaint saying that a letter that I had written to my father has got leaked, and yet no one has reacted to it, no one has taken any action on it. The party did not ask me for an explanation even before issuing the suspension orders. It is strange that I was not given any opportunity to explain myself. That was not done by the party leadership. Why is something that she is asking this question, that there is a lot of pressure on her father, the KCR, who is the party leader, in order to get her expelled from the party, and she believes that this is only the first step because she believes on target next maybe KTR himself or KCR.
From Kavita yet, if you can hear me, on floating her own party now that she's resigned from the BRS, might be too early to tell, but any indication through her press conference? All right, there seems to be a connectivity issue there with Uma, but that's the big news we're getting for you. Kavita has quit the party and her post as MLC, and we are yet to see if she's going to float a party of her own, but very pointed attacks on both Harish Rao as well as Santosh Kumar. She claims that Harish Rao has a hotline with the Chief Minister.